you do have some of that too, where
Okay.
it's here's my client,
Okay.
good relationship.
Mm-hmm.
However, when you're done,
Mm-hmm.
it's either you or the client. Maybe they don't want to. Hey, I don't want to socialize. I don't want to go have you over for drinks
Right,
or for chicken
right.
or for wine or for
Right,
whatever it is.
right.
Yeah, and you keep in touch with them, and if you're a good agent, hopefully you keep them informed of what's going on. But there are some where it's it's a transaction, because it can be transactional, and I have had clients later on say, we miss hanging out with you, because we looked at 124 houses,
Right.
But sometimes it is like that, and other times it's you're always talking to them. I just got a call this morning from a guy that I sold a bunch of apartments turned to condos.
Oh, that's dope.
15 plus years ago, and we've had probably 4 or 5 deals in between, and I have a pie day. So if you got my pie card, make sure you come to my pie day, November 24th. Yeah, there we go. Plug
Yeah.
that. But he just called me this morning before I jumped in here, and we talked last week. So, and I see him at least once a year, sometimes 2 or 3 times a year. So you do build, that's a business personal relationship.
Right.
We've done a couple things on the side to help a veteran
Right.
move into a place, and he was a vet and I'm a vet, and so you do build those bonds. But a lot of times though, it's the transaction.
It's the transaction.
Yeah. Especially if they're moving away.
Yeah.
I think probably more so.
Okay.
Because you might not see them ever.
Right.
I send pie cards out to a couple clients that I sold their house 10, 12 years ago. Haven't spoken to them. I've sent them a couple things. I think they live in Kentucky now or Tennessee.
That's insane.
But it's like I just feel like I'm going to send that out to them, and someday they might be passing through and say, "Hey, we're coming to get a pie," and it'll be like, "Holy cow!"
Yeah, but the big thing is that you stay connected, regardless. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it's an opportunity for it, regardless if you come get the pie or not.
Yep.
There's an opportunity for it.
Yeah, there's a touch. Yeah.
There's a touch. There's a touch.
And then when they come and they had like a 2-year-old, and their 2-year-old is 17, and you go, "Oh my God."
I know. Kids grow up so fast.
Yeah.
That's insane. That's a lot.
Your kids are in here sometimes. That's cool.
Yes. Trying to train them up.
No, they're like well behaved.
I appreciate it.
Yep. They are, because they sit there. It's funny. Yeah.
Yeah. There's good
Sometimes you
kids.
get some maniacs in here.
I know.
And I mean the agents, not the kids. But then the kids too.
I'm telling you. No, I enjoy my babies.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why I do it, honestly. Because it gives me freedom to be like their mom.
Yeah.
And everything else I was doing prior to it, I didn't feel in that space to be their mom. This lets me serve, but my day is my day. And, that's what I appreciate about it. I know that's a little bit off subject, but that's why.
Yeah, we're talking about surveys and title insurance, right?
Right.
Yeah.
But that's how I got started in real estate. I needed the freedom.
Yeah.
I really did.
Well, I think, we set our own schedules. And when you talk to new agents, and especially at like Superior School or something, they say, "Oh my God, this is a 24/7 job, 365," and it can be.
Right.
And you can make it that.
Right.
But then I go back and I tell a story. My kids played soccer. My 2 that were here in Charlotte both played soccer.
Okay.
And I use my son as an example. In 4 years of playing high school varsity soccer and everything, I can remember 2 games I missed.
See?
Harding High School and Catholic game when he was a sophomore, because that was on my calendar
Right.
as here's my appointment.
Yep.